Today's word is the single most valuable asset of all humans. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have vaxt. Vaxt, single syllable. Vaxt is time, moment, occasion. All right? Let's see. Free time. Not to have a moment or time, to have the right time, occasion. Let's translate those into Azerbaijani. Boş vaxt. Boş technically means empty. Boş vaxt, free time. Vaxtı olmamaq, not to have a time. But if you want to say to have a time, vaxtı olmaq. Now, vaxtın uyğun olması. Uyğun is the suitable, but in here, the right professional translation to be to have the right time, occasion. Vaxtın uyğun olması. Let's use those in some sentences. Mənim vaxtım yoxdur. Let's see. You might have heard it, and you might hear, and you will hear this one. Because it means I don't have time. Mənim vaxtım yoxdur. Or, you want to sound native? Vaxtım yoxdur. Even more native? Vaxtım yoxdur. You drop the R at the end. Vaxtım yoxdur. All right? Let's see. Mənim vaxtım, my time. But in this case, I don't have time. Vaxtım yoxdur, don't have time. Vaxtım yoxdur. Let's see another one. O vaxt, hamı evdə idi. At that time, everyone was at home. O vaxt, at that time, hamı, everyone, all, evdə idi, was at home. All right? That was my way of using the most valuable asset, vaxt, in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. Let's see what else I have. Vaxt is money. That's the way of saying the famous sentence in mix-up Azerbaijani and English. Please come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com, where I post every 10 days new blogs on how to learn Azerbaijani much more efficiently, fun way. Make sure to check it. I'll see you tomorrow.